moving on to number 6. Describe the force that holds two ions together in an ionic bond. Well, we have an ionic bond, so we know we have something positive attracting something negative. Yeah, that's the nature of what we have. And so this is the force of attraction between unlike charges. Okay, this is the force of attraction between unlike charges, right? Positives and negatives. These unlike charges hold. Okay, the forces hold negative and positive ions together in ionic bonds. So again, describe the force. Okay, so the force here, okay, it's an attractive force. So that's one way to describe it. Of course, we already know that it's an attractive force, but we want to be able to answer this question as it's posed. A lot of students know the information that's being asked. They just don't realize that that's what they're being asked for. So describe, think of any sort of characteristic you can use that makes this idea more specific. So, well, and it's an attractive force. Okay, it's an attractive force. Why is it an attractive force? Because it's experienced between two unlike charges. We have the positive and negative charge there. You don't have to say unlike charges here like I did. You can simply say the attractive force between a positive and a negative charge, right? That is going to hold those two ions together. That's what makes an ionic bond. Moving on to number 7, what type of energy best represents the strength of an ionic bond? Okay, when we were looking at covalent bonds, okay, in the last couple of sections, we would say bond energy. But we're not talking about covalent bonds, are we? We're talking about ionic bonds. So there's a new type of term that's very similar to bond energy, but it's not the same. It is different, and it has a couple of significant differences to bond energy, but it does still represent the strength of an ionic bond, and that is lattice energy.